What is up, my people of YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We are back, and guess what? I ended up getting my hands on the Fenty Moroccan Spice collection. I'm taking today. Don't bother me. My door is closed. I am focused. And I'm so excited just to see what look I'm gonna create. I have no game plan. By now, everybody has already swatched this gorgeous, darling, gorgeous palette. And she is a beaut. Boom, there it is. Now we have all of that out of the way. I'm gonna bring you in closer and we are going to play. Okay, so we are a little bit closer. Once I start getting into the eyeshadows, I will bring you in a lot closer. We are first going in with the Fenty Beauty Invisa Pink Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. This is your Invisa matte powder, and here is the friend. I like to press my powder into whatever concealer, primer, anything that I'm using. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Oh, it's so velvety. So our eyelids are primed and ready. Comino, get it. Come and get it. Cumin right there. I'm gonna start right here. I'm just gonna tap it on. Ooh, it is pigmented. And I'm gonna bring this color all the way under my brow into the bridge of my nose. Give a little snatchy poo action. We now just applied Moroccan ice on the brow bone and on the inner corner tear duct, and some Come and Get It on my crease. I'm gonna start with this color and I'm gonna layer these shimmers. And I'm gonna go above my crease. I'm gonna do some full lids right here. Okay, so the color that I actually laid down is Mirage, which is a beautiful like rose gold color. And now I'm gonna go back in with, we're gonna do Casablanca. I'm gonna start applying Casablanca on the edge, on the outside of that cut crease, like right on the edge and the middle. Oh, that's so beautiful. Like, I mean, gorgeous. Okay, so now that we have the shimmers in, I want to go back up over the top and just define that area where I want to cut my crease. Yes, spice strip, to start to deepen my crease, and it's this guy right here. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush, and that's how we can deepen it. Going with my pencil brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit of Spice It Up right here, and I'm going to start building out my smoky wing. I'm going back in with Fezz Up, Hennessy, and I'm gonna continue to build my smoky wing. Just like you just didn't know you needed it in your life, and then it turns out you do. I love this Hennessy color. Hennessy, it sounds like I'm saying Hennessy, doesn't it? But it's Hennessy. I'm just Mexican and I have an accent sometimes. I'm gonna use this Jordana black eye pencil. It is really creamy, so I'm hoping it's gonna give me what I'm looking for. So how I smudge out my eyeliner, I just apply a little bit on my lash line, and I start with a nice stiff brush like the Fenty one. So this one's perfect for it. Okay, so now that I smudged out some liner over the shadows that I laid down, I'm just gonna go back in with the same shadows just to kind of bring them up over that liner. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with Come and Get It, just like a little bit over, just to start diffusing a little bit of that liner. Well, I just want it to peep through a little bit. Then spice it up. Fez up. Just like that, just to really bring it out. Okay, so with my fly liner, let's see how it works. So I'm just going to get nice and close to my lash line. Oof, so wet. Like all of the ink is like not skipping. I feel like I don't even have to press hard with this eyeliner. Like it's doing its job. You guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I am so sorry. My battery completely died out and I wasn't able to show you guys how to do the liner. So just to fill you guys in on the rest of the things that I did when I was off camera, I am so sorry about that. I have the Mademoiselle Madame on my lips. I love this color. Like it just makes me feel like a fierce Latina. I did go in and do my highlight with my favorite Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And for my lashes, I just have the Christina lashes. These are stacked and I used 2 pairs and cut 1 pair up, and I just did an extension at the outer corner of this eyelash just to give me more of that sultry, flirty cat eye. That is it, you guys. That was it for this tutorial. I can't wait to post some pictures of it and I hope you guys like it too. So please, please, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already for more looks like this, and don't forget that notification bell just in case YouTube doesn't let you know that I've been uploading videos. I will be doing a lot more videos this week for you guys, and I'm hoping to get back on track with uploading more videos frequently in this week. So let me know what you guys want to see on the description box below, and I don't know, let's just live this makeup life. All right guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on all of my socials, Instagram, Melissa Ruby Beauty, and thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.